Hello, everyone. Welcome to another review class for Lab AccuWellness students. And we are now on our second week or second installment of that discussion of patterns for diabetes. So we shall continue with our uh, detailed discussion of diabetes patterns today. So, Mom Trix, please do the honor.
Yes, Doc. Good afternoon.
So, if I'm not mistaken, we had 4 or 5 patterns last time. And so now we continue with another 5, no? So, okay, I think I'm supposed to discuss this na lang. Ikaw na lang. Um, so the next pattern is liver and spleen disharmony with heat. Now, we all know for a fact that the liver and the spleen are supposed to have a harmonious relationship because uh, without the spleen, the liver has nothing to regulate, not the chi. Okay, so basically, if one is affected, the other one is also, the function of the other one is impaired, no? And the most common the imbalance here would be um, what we call the over controlling, no? So if the liver over controls the spleen or the wood over controlling the earth. So this pattern is actually occurring at a very early stage of diabetes, no? So this is supposed to be pre-diabetes, and it has something to do with liver qi constraint. Okay, bakit ba? Why is the chi constrained? Because of emotions, because of probably a lot of things to do in life, no? So if the liver chi constraint is unresolved, definitely it will be so strong, so overpowering, so that it affects the spleen. Okay? So here you could see that this is involving constrained liver chi invading the deficient spleen and creating heat. So if we allow the liver to be so constrained, the liver chi to be constrained because of emotions, because of prolonged stress, then this will impact the spleen so much. So if that happens, there will be liver and spleen disharmony. So as long as uh, and we all know for a fact that if the spleen becomes deficient, you will create dampness, no? A sign of weakness of the spleen. And when the dampness is unresolved, remember that's very yin. So eventually, it will transform to heat, no? So the development of diabetes or poor blood glucose regulation, it follows a period of high or prolonged stress. So bawal ma-stress. Okay. So the mix of liver chi stagnation, spleen chi deficiency, and heat is known as the primary pathological triad. So I don't know if you agree with me. This is probably the reason why we see a lot of people still not monitoring their blood sugar. And when the blood sugar is unregulated, so this is where it impacts the other organs, no? So signs and symptoms, because there is heat, there will be thirst, dry mouth and throat. The appetite would be variable. Sometimes malakas ka kumain, sometimes you have no appetite, sometimes you have improved appetite or excessive appetite, no? Bitter or bad taste in the mouth. So this is heat, no? Irritability, quick temper, the eyes are bloodshot and sore, stiff and sore neck and shoulders, diba? For those who can relate to this, you know what I'm talking about, diba? Sumasakit yung leeg mo and shoulders. No? That's why you always want to have a massage. Tension or migraine headaches. By the way, all these don't have to be present, no? So siguro mga 3, 4, or 5 lang. Colicky, abdominal pain, and distension. Distension is the key word for stagnation, no? Sluggish bowels or constipation, uh, flatulence, belching, heartburn, irregular menses, PMS. Of course, elevated blood glucose, not only that, but when you check the urine, mataas yung sugar sa urine. And the symptoms get worse with stress, especially when you find out that you have too many medications to maintain. Gastos, mahal na gasolina, no? So the body weight may be normal or thin, rarely overweight, no? So it doesn't really matter, okay? So the tongue is, when you check the edges, they are red. That's very liver or swollen, no? Okay, usually swollen yan siya and red. And this is the first thing that you would notice talaga. Okay, and slightly scalloped. So this is very spleen chi deficiency with redder edges, and the coat is thin and yellow. So this speaks a lot about heat, no? The pulse would be wiry. So this is very liver, fine, possibly rapid. So it can be wiry or it can be fine. Treatment principle, so you have to harmonize the liver and spleen and clear the heat. So the question is, how are we going to treat this? No? So would you like to share with us the points, Mom Tricks? And can you tell us why we should use these points?
Uh, the point should be issue, issue,
I think we discussed
pericardium,
last time.
issue, pericardium 6, bladder 18, stomach 36, bladder 20, spleen 6, and liver 3.
Okay, can you tell us issue we have known, have learned last time it's a extra point, no? After bladder 7.
Uh, I think yes. Uh, Pericard.
Pericardium 6, we use pericardium 6 to be able to
Yeah.
keep the chi.
Sure.
I think we have learned from the in the past kahit nasa PC. By the way, PC and liver, they belong to the same polarity, di ba? The terminal yin or Jue yin, di ba? So you can
Yes.
pericardium 6, no? Remember, we have liver chi constraint dito. So hindi umaandar. And so we need a lot of kasi when you say terminal yin, kulang na yung yin. Yun yung parang last ano na, no? So as much as possible, wag natin painitin ang tao kasi pag mainit na, mauubos lalo yung yin. Bladder 18, we use it because it is the bakshu of Ma'am Trix.
Uh, Wait.
Bakshu of the liver. Para ka na-stress. Really. Okay, bladder 18. Obviously, when you have a disharmony, especially when it's involving emotions, ang
Mm,
impact talaga, grabe ang liver. So, the points at the back, we use it for chronic issues, kaya bladder
mm,
8. Of course, stomach 36 is very basic. We need to make
the
it
belching.
chi and blood, di ba? Kailangan. And kasi
Alright.
hindi ka gumagalaw yung chi no? Bladder
Mm.
2 is the back shoe of the Momtrix.
The spleen.
Yes. So, liver and spleen dysharmony. No? Why do we use spleen 6?
For to eliminate dampness.
Isn't it? Uh, okay. I think spleen 6
But
is
makes sense.
the yin. There's no
That's
dampness.
for the year.
Wala pa tayong nakikitang dampness dito. Puro heat to, no? Actually,
I guess.
issue na yung okay, so ang may kagagawan nito is the liver actually. Spleen 6, if you remember, it's called three yin intersection, no? So spleen kasi you also affect the liver and the kidneys. Remember, pag may issue ang liver,
Mm.
affected din si kidneys. And of course, liver 3 is for the liver, no? By the way, what point category is liver 3, Sir Joe Bell? Ito na dyan naman.
Oo.
Buti naman tayo. Anong point category ng liver 3 in terms of ano ba tawag dito? Yung five shoe point. Mom tricks. Di ba liver 3 is the weak point, liver 2 is the far point, liver 3 is the
Earth point.
yes, the number. Okay, yan po. Now let's proceed to the next one. When you have Qi deficiency and Yin deficiency, no? This is the most common pattern now of chronic diabetes. And it's both seen in types 1 and 2. Okay? Qi deficiency because the spleen is weak, yin deficiency because of the kidney weakness. So it's basically spleen and kidney. Okay? Yes? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Patients are likely to be medicated with insulin, hypoglycemic agents, or both, which manage diabetes, making signs and symptoms few and mild. Okay? So, tuloy pa rin yung gamot until the doctor decides to remove it. And for as long as hindi mo na-resolve yung Qi deficiency, yung Yin deficiency, so kahit nagme-maintain ka, wala pa rin mangyayari. So what we would like to happen in the future is huwag mong tatanggalin yung medication, but we mitigate the side effects of or we try to expedite the effectivity of the medications. Okay? Kasi the reason why we need medications for diabetes is we want to prevent complications. Yan lang talaga, di ba? Or not unless you want to end up with multi-organ failure, no? So habang hindi ka pa okay, nagpa-check ka, no? Tiningnan mo yung A1, hemoglobin A1C mo normal, FBS is normal. Wala pa rin kumpiyansa, it doesn't mean you're off the hook, no? That means meron ka pa rin sub-healthy ka pa rin. Okay? So the best thing to do here is we look at the tongue, we feel the pulse, or we assess the patient in general. Okay? So dry mouth, throat, skin, hair, mild to moderate thirst with increased urinary frequency or nocturia. Yung ihi ng ihi sa gabi, no? Lalo na more than 3 times or more than 2 times. That is a sign of yin deficiency. Remember? Fatigue, weakness, fatigue because of Qi deficiency. So when you think of Qi deficiency, you think of the spleen. Yin deficiency dito is kidney. Remember, pag affected na yung kidney, lalo na pag nagpula na yung dila, it's not only the kidney but the stomach and the lungs, right? That it will be affected. Breathlessness, of course, because the spleen is of the same polarity as the lung. Palpitations, no? This can happen because of a disconnect between the kidney and the heart. No? Remember, pag may yin deficiency ka, there's an internal, hindi na nagko-communicate ang heart sa kidneys. Spontaneous sweating, this is really bad. This is very Qi deficiency. This would mean that pinapawisan ka lang bigla because your pores are always open. So that means your lung Qi is very weak. Mild night sweats, lower back and legs weakness, sense of heat. Okay, just go through this. Elevated blood glucose and glucosuria. Glucosuria is the presence of sugar in the urine. So I think the cheapest way to really monitor your, especially if you are so pagod all the time and you have may mga complaints ka dito, no? Tapos tinila mo yung dila, okay? It's likely red, swollen, scallop tongue with a thin white, dry or patchy coat. Okay, so ganito lang yon. If uh, the dila has no more coating, that means the tongue will be red. Okay? And also, if you see a lot of cracks already, no? Yun. The pulse is deep, obviously, because this is deficiency. Internal, no? Internal po ang spleen and kidney. It's weak, deficiency, fine. Because it is yin. Yin deficiency is the umbrella for the blood deficiency, diba? Treatment principle, tonify spleen, chi, nourish kidney, yin. So, Mom Tricks, can you give us the points?
Sorry. For tissue, pericardium 6, bladder 20. I wait. Is it? Yeah. Stomach 36, bladder 23, spleen 6, and liver 3.
Okay, what's the difference between this
Same
management and the previous one, yung dahil sa stress? Remember,
as
the liver and spleen disharmony with heat? Okay, ito chi and yin deficiency. Pareho, di ba? Except for one. Can you spot?
the 23,
Yes. Why? Because
bladder
this time you have yin deficiency, kidney. No?
2.
Una-una mo talagang iisipin, but chi deficiency, spleen. And a lot of things can happen when you have spleen chi deficiency. And also, yin deficiency, you think of kidney. Sabay-sabay na lahat yan, lalo na pag wala ng coating, no? Stomach yin deficiency, lung yin deficiency. Next, we go to, okay, this is also, okay, let me share with you the kidney, just ko tatlo, no? Kidney, heart, liver, yin deficiency. Now, according to the source, this pattern occurs late in type 2 diabetes because the disease shifts from Tai yin into Shao yin. Okay, what makes this happen? Um, hmm, Naging lesser yin na siya. Okay? It may be seen in recent onset diabetes occurring in older patients with pre-existing kidney deficiency and in adolescents with type 1 diabetes. As the yin deficiency gets worse, okay, remember if you have yin deficiency, the yang is unrestrained. So pataas na pataas yung yang, no? So patients with type 2 diabetes will be medicated with hypoglycemic and sporadic or regular insulin with the classic diabetes symptoms muted. Okay? Signs and symptoms, ganun pa rin, urination, no? Nocturia. Urine may be cloudy, turbid, or leave a sediment, glucosuria, albuminuria, thirst, dry mouth, and yeah, all of this, no? 5-palm heat, okay, the classic yin deficiency. So, hindi lang po ang heart, liver, and kidney ang affected, kundi pati heart. So, I would like to believe that this is already a situation in which the heart is also affected. Do you agree, Ma'am Trix?
Yes, Doc.
Yeah. So, this is one thing that every diabetic patient should be aware of. Or if mayroon kayong family history of diabetes. O take note, may mga slow healing of wounds na, parating ng may skin infections, no? And most likely, the liver function test will be, yung mga liver enzymes niya matataas na. Or even the triglycerides would be high, no? So tongue is red and dry, little or no coat. Remember, this is yin deficiency of the kidney, liver, and heart. Of course, the pulse is rapid and fine. Nourish and tonify the liver, heart, and kidney yin. So, actually, candidate na ito for are you, di ba? Kidney yin. Matutuyo na yung mga mukha nila, no? Yeah, parang natuyot na. Points, Bomb Tricks.
Issue, bladder 18, 20, 23, 15, Ren 4, spleen 6, kidney 2, 3, and 6.
Okay, can you explain? Of course, our favorite extra point is, mabuti palagyan na natin ng press needle yan sa likod, no? Bladder 18, actually, sunod-sunod.
Ready for
18 is the Baccio of the liver, bladder
the
23, 20 is spleen, right? Okay, why did we consider the spleen here? Because spleen and kidney, spleen and stomach, no? 23, kidney. And also
15,
the,
the heart.
yeah, bladder 15, the heart, yes. Box of the heart. Why REN 4? When do you needle CB4? Pag kulang
For
ng yin, di ba? C of yin, remember? as contrasted to CV6. CV6 is more young. Spleen 6, of course, you hit three birds, kidney, liver, and
Uh,
spleen. Yes?
yes.
And then kidney 2. Why kidney 2? Ano pa ang category ng kidney 2? Kidney 2 is
Uh, kidney.
kidney 1 is ano? Kidney 1 is the Wood Point, right? The Chingwell. Kidney 2 is Ying Spring,
Uh,
no? Kidney 2 is
yes, Lean Spring.
2 is the Far Point. Hmm?
Fire, yes. Of
Kidney
the
2
kidney.
is the Shoe Stream, remember? Shoe Stream, it's
Three.
supposed to be
Earth.
Earth. Earth Point. Kailangan ng Earth. Spleen at spleen, di ba? Remember, we're dealing with the pancreas here, di ba? We're dealing with your ano. And then kidney 6. Why kidney 6?
Mm.
Kidney 6 is the
The ano?
a very important point for tonifying the kidney yin. Um,
Kidney six.
yeah, I had a patient na came in with, yeah, of course, meron siya ibang symptoms, pero yung nga inuubos siya. Sore throat. At look at the tongue, it's a bit, may sore throat siya. Medyo nag start na. So I needled, una-una kidney 6, and then I needled the lung 10. Remember 10, di ba? Fire. Lung 10, fire ba? Hmm. And then Ren 22 in that order. Alam mo, hindi na siya umubo. Pinainom ko na maraming tubig. Okay. Next, we have kidney and heart yang and yin deficiency. So it is possible that you can have both yang and yin deficiency at the same time, no? However, one will be more predominant. Okay? So again, this is a late stage pattern na po of chronic diabetes. So if I were you, you make a tabulation, tingnan mo yung mga early, tapos yung mga chronic. Siyempre yung mga chronic, yung mga may edad na din. Okay? The primary location is in the kidneys. Okay? Signs and symptoms reflect both yin and yang weakness, often with the yang deficiency apparent in the lower body and the yin deficiency in the upper body. So this is also very common, especially yung mga matagal ng diabetic. Magtataka ka bakit malamig yung paa, pero pag tinignan mo yung dila niya, pula. Have you encountered that? So the use
No.
of yin, diabetic complications, ito na yung medyo marami ng problema. Matagal na kasi. Nephropathy and microvascular pathology are advanced. So again, the urination, blah, 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 no? Um, and then when they ingest fluids, diretso ihi. So that means the kidney chi is already so affected, no? Incontinence, that means kulang na ang kidney chi. Hindi na niya makontrol yung bladder mo. Glucosuria and albuminuria. Now, this is so concerning because mayroon ng protein yung kanyang ihi. Na? Oo, kailangan ng katawan ng protein. Pero bakit nagpa-flush out siya ng protein? Ang nagli-leak out siya ng protein. Albumin. Pale complexion, puffy face, akala mo healthy, yung pala. Nakakita na ba kayo? Ito na yung talagang candidate for dialysis, no? Try out hearing loss. Saka tinan niyo yung tenga niya, parang nalalanta na, no? Oo, nangunguluntoy. I'm sure iba titingnan yung tenga. Okay. So yun. Sporadic hot flashes, sweating on the head and chest, insomnia, cold in the lower body, lower back and legs are cold. Cold pale, tapos yung mga feet niya maiitim na, purple na. Okay? So, gusto mo nang ipaputol. Okay, diarrhea with undigested food soon after eating, no? Okay? Can you imagine? Ganun pa rin yung, yung kinain niya, yung pa rin yung itsura. Okay? So, this is really quite late. pale, swollen, and dry with a white coat, deep, fine, weak. So warm the kidney young, nourish the kidney yin. So what are the points, Mom Tricks?
Uh, Tissue again. Bladder 23, bladder 15, do 4, Ren 4, Ren 6, Ren 8, kidney 3, stomach 36, and spleen 6.
So lahat-lahat na, no? I think you're familiar with Do 4.
Do 4, gate of
Yeah, the
life.
Mingman gate of gate of
Gate of fire of the gate of life.
yeah, Mingmen fire. Okay.
Mm.
Ren 4, CB4 is for yin, CB6 is for yang, CV8, no? So magmomoksa ka rito, indirect. Kidney 3, huwag mo tutusukin yung Ren 8 for obvious reason. Kidney 3, stomach 36, and spleen 6. Okay? Now let's go to, ito na yung talagang may mga stagnation na. Okay, are you with us? The others. Nagigets mo na, Ma'am Trix, no? Ay, gawa tayo ng ano nito, tabulation. Marami kayang diabetes. Okay, blood stasis is the main complication of long-term diabetes, even when blood glucose is well managed. You see? So, there is no
Right.
guarantee. Kahit normal yung ano mo, pero ganun pa rin yung may blood stasis ka. The majority
Mm-mm.
of diabetic patients end up with some degree of blood stasis and magkakaroon ka na ng cardiovascular disease, atherosclerosis, peripheral vascular disease, and diabetic retinopathy. So when you use when you look at the fundus, may makikita ka na. Talagang makikita mo yung diabetic retinopathy. Okay? I-Google nyo, ano itsura niyan. Okay? Signs and symptoms, numbness and tingling of the extremities. C, uh, tinang-tingnan yung mga lower legs. Okay? So, I'm sure nagtitinginan na kayo sa mga legs. Dark purple or brown discoloration, diba? I'm sure you've seen. Have you seen cases like this, Ma'am Trix?
Yes. Yung parang ano na siya.
Ulcers,
Parang, parang kailangan na putulin yung legs minsan.
vascular congestion, spider veins and nevi, chest pain, which tapos ano, mataas ang yung grado niya, hindi mo makuha-kuha, no, sa mata. Purple or mauve or with purple patches or blood. So tinan-tinanan mo mga paa, no? Lalo na yung mga oh, you see? Sublingual veins. That's why this is something that I need to really look at every day, no? Because before the tongue becomes purple, magiging
Mm.
congested muna yung veins. Okay? So if you want to live eating the food that you love to eat. I know someone, kahit diabetic na kain. At tapos sininang ko mabuti yung kanyang ano, may mga purple-purple na siya dito. Wala ako kumibo. Pero yung okay, no comment. Okay, choppy or yeah, hindi naman siya choppy, kaya lang masyadong ano. Okay, irregular intermittent. So you invigorate the blood. So what are the points?
Uh, Bladder 15, bladder 17, tissue. Bladder 18, bladder 20, bladder 23, Ren 4, spleen 10, spleen 6, and liver 3.
Okay, what is the point here na wala sa iba?
17.
10 and bladder 17. Bladder
Yes.
17 is the backsio of the diaphragm. Parang pag may blood stagnation, ito talaga ininidle mo. No? And then also spleen 10. Okay, hawakan, itusok mo yung spleen 10. Ano, hawakan mo lang yung spleen 10, masakit na masakit. Pag may
Okay.
blood stasis. Okay? So, we'll continue this next time. Thank you, Mom Trix. Did you enjoy the
Thank you, Doc.
session today?
Yes. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you.